Hey yo l'équipe, ça dit quoi? Nouvelle vidéo aujourd'hui, on va s'écouter le dernier projet de Boldy James et Conductor Williams. En collab les deux, le rap, la prod. On va être servi across the tracks. Ouais, j'ai sorti le pire accent. Across the tracks, sorti il y a un moment quand même, je suis passé à côté. Sorti le 28 juin. Ça fait un mois presque que c'est sorti. Je suis passé à côté de cette collab quand même, de ce projet collaboratif entre Boldy James, rappeur, entourage, collabo. Enfin, je sais pas s'il est signé ou s'il est juste dans l'entourage de Griselda. Mais en tout cas, voilà, ça fait ce genre de production, ce genre de son. C'est ce genre de bail que ça va faire, clairement. Donc avec conducteur à la prod en plus, là on va être typiquement dans ce genre de track avec des boucles un peu loufoques, j'ai envie de dire. Mais voilà, avec un seul feat sur le projet. Ah non, deux feats sur le projet. J'avais pas vu le deuxième. 10 tracks déjà, donc projet assez court, 26 minutes à peu près, ou une vingtaine de minutes. Premier track, deuxième track, on aura un feat avec Bojack. Bojack, connaissez pas, mais en fait c'est normal. C'est le fils de Boldy James. Donc voilà, je sais pas s'il va être juste dans une interlude ou s'il va vraiment lâcher un 16. Ça pourrait être fou. Sinon, en deuxième track, on a Mafia. Enfin, en deuxième. Sur la huitième, on aura Mafia Double D. Mafia Double D, je connais pas non plus. Je sais pas si c'est un gars. Ok, il a déjà fait des feats avec Rom Streets. Ok, il était sur le projet Nicolas Craven Boldy James. Énorme projet. Ok. Après, à part ça, j'ai l'impression que c'est un peu léger. Mais quand même quelques feats intéressants. Je sais pas si c'est un. S'il va rapper, s'il est sur la prod aussi, s'il fait les deux. Ok. Et bah, je suis ready, hein. Je crois qu'on est prêt. La cover qui est spé, j'arrive même pas à savoir ce que c'est. Ça m'a l'air d'être. Ah ouais, ok, il y a un mec sur les rails. Il y a un mec sur les rails et il y a un train qui arrive. J'ai l'impression, un mec un peu ligoté, un peu comme dans les westerns, ce genre de bail, ce genre de mort. Un peu en dessin d'enfant, c'est vraiment toujours des covers un peu louches. C'est dans ce genre d'entourage. Donc let's go, hein. On va y aller. Premier track, Terms and Conditions. Prod par Conductor. C'était le premier single que j'ai pas écouté du coup. Donc let's go, on va se lancer ça directement. Let's go, Terms and Conditions.
Conductor, we have a problem.
Conductor, we have a problem.
Whole lot of gang shit.
Yeah. It's X. Jackson. Yeah. Let's get it. I can't stress it enough, it's 227 till a nigga fade to black. Made it back in one piece, 80 racks in 1 week off a field goal. I kicked it with a 3 and it still so young at heart, but all that run in the street made me feel old. Was taught to always be the message I bring. Pulled the sword from the stone, some niggas that never be king, can never compete. They know the floor is rather unique. I kept the receipts, most of these niggas never was street. Forever some courage, your bitch know that I never was hers. Since I jumped off the porch, been ahead of the curve. Rex in the sink, this shit look like it took me at the altar. Quarter brick of girly, cutting up a cookie on the saucer, storming on the dice. Full voice, I'm like a tidal wave. On my auntie Adrian from East Shore and out her microwave. 22750Z, niggas know we thick as thieves. Real street niggas, never read it, never bit the cheese. The first brick I ever touched was the worst brick. I always shook the plug hand with a firm grip. Knew I wanted to be the man when I turned 6. Been having murder on my mind since they murked Rick. Got it out my system after I pulled that first skit. The first trip I ever took, we had to work shifts. Still expecting me out of niggas, still still ain't learned shit. Just some of the things that I had to come to terms with. 300 racks in the Duffy, I breed puppies. $3,000 PA leather, I feel like T-Stuck. The last dime, 15 for a halftime. So dope all of my life, I used to rap as a pastime. When it come to fucking with women, street life and this money I'm getting. Shit, you know me, I like the fast kind. Many got left hung out to dry, even strung out. Seen others have a 20-year run out of one house. Before the papers came, was fighting floaters like a paper plane. Know I've been through life, so I can't complain. Take it with a grain of salt by the tablespoon. Fiends dancing to the beat of my drum was my favorite tune. Lady Petunia on the coin of my Byzantine. Nigga play with that tuna, we gon' blow in the smithereens. Learn how to pedal drugs while I learn how to ride a bike. Blow strong as a quarter stick, signing RJJ Dynamite. The first brick I ever touched was the worst brick. I always shook the plug hand with a firm grip. Knew I wanted to be the man when I turned 6. Been having murder on my mind since they murdered Rick. Got it out my system after I pulled that first skit. The first trip I ever took, we had to work shifts. Still expecting me out of niggas, still ain't learned shit. Just some of the things that I had to come to terms with.
Franchement gros track. J'ai kiffé un bon boom bap pour commencer. On enchaîne All Maiden.
I started pot with that 30 shot poking on my hip like I never heard of SWAT. Another token of a skid, another murder plot. For living waterways out of shape on that murder rock. Prosecutor telling my mother might as well give it up. 120 months on the cop, why she not picking up? Only thing I'm hoping is the feds don't try to pick it up. Caught the flux from all of that dust that we was kicking up. Still in touch on the outs with the creatures and the real members. Real apex predator, real laid back. Every fight I had, it was like a steel cage match. Don't take much to initiate it, quick to straight snap. Niggas gang affiliated with ill face tats. Not me, I'm a low key to myself type. Playing chess on the unit, me and old school. Got all they had shit to my name, but my legal fee, I think about that shit every blue moon just to keep me free. What else? No more food stamps and EBT. Tired of mama working, gotta blow so I can feed the street. I know they throw dirt on my name, kick me when I'm down. My fam need me more than ever, gotta stick around. Can't let these niggas treat me off, can't let them off Jackson. All that lackadaisical shit'll get you caught lacking. Stacking my change while they doing all that jaw jacking. EA Sports get in the game, we on automatic. It's game time.
Everything on my body costs a real bag. When I see you in the field, you better have your pads. And my pockets too stiff, I need a copper bag. I don't even want your bitch, she ain't even bad. Every time I'm in a room, man, these niggas mad. I got 32 bullets stuffed in this mag. I got 20 stuff in this Burberry plat. A Mary's full of cash.
No more food stamps and EBT. Tired of mama working, gotta blow so I can feed the street. I know they throw dirt on my name, kick me when I'm down. My fam need me more than ever, gotta stick around. Can't let these niggas treat me off, can't let them off Jackson. All that lackadaisical shit'll get you caught lacking. Stacking my change while they doing all that jaw jacking. EA Sports get in the game, we on automatic. It's game time.
Encore des vibes très chill. On va poser. Flying Trapeze Act. Troisième track, let's go.
Detectives asked me if I remember the night that's in question. I told them vaguely. Can't remember nothing outside of me being angry. Gave a false description, ain't no rule to the exception. Never writing down no statement, never doing no confession. Heard him tell it all like he doing an impression of a play, another plot, another funeral recession. Silent but deadly, quiet niggas a kill. Allergic to the shield, I'm used to all the aggression. In that interrogation room, niggas snitch for less. Wiggled out that triple murder, I'm a triple threat. Took it all the way to the door, fuck if I blow trial. Whole bureau know that a nigga high profile. Lucky got a double, Russell was looking at the dime. Grandma told me to slow down, I couldn't at the time. Wish I could do it all again if I could press rewind. I still walk them niggas down like the second line. Tight roping in the street, this shit is death defying. When your man's a witness in your case testifying. With my last 90 circles with a wire hanger. Jumping through the fire hurdles like a lion tamer. Feel like a Green Bay fan for them greenbacks. I put that chetty on your head like a cheese hat. Two in the hottie finna slide the machine back. My youngin' catching bodies like a flying trapeze act. This ain't no Burnham and Bailey in my hood. This shit like the heart of Kuwaiti. Don't get your whip flip and park with a Drake. He works off as a buttercup. We headed southbound. phone. That achy breaky huff and puff and blow your house down. Free all the guys coming home on the countdown. Brick and sexy red, I just took that bitch to Pound Town. Drugs on to the Bronx, brick mall boss. Bitch, I'm from Hell Block, these niggas strip mile sauce. Pops the one laced on my sneaks, but the streets raised me. Snatched the rug from under my feet, now my dreams pays me. Send a hit when that money clip, like I'm Take Heat. Give a nigga the drummer's ear, night Sway Lee. 72-hour hug, cut loose by day 3. R.I.P. Moschino, long live KP. Used to feel trapped in the ghetto, trying to break free. On a 30-year run, I feel like an escapee. Tight roping in the street, this shit is death-defying. When your man's a witness in your case testifying. With my last 90 circles with a wire hanger. Jumping through them fire hurdles like a lion tamer. Feel like a Green Bay fan for them greenbacks. I put that chetty on your head like a cheese hat. 2 in the hottie finna slide the machine back. My youngin' catching bodies like a flying trapeze act.
Pour l'instant, dans les tracks qu'on a écoutés, il y a beaucoup de voix, de voix de femmes comme ça, un peu en chorale, en gospel un peu, des fois, avec derrière ces notes un peu hautes, je sais pas ce que c'est, une espèce de piano, mais... Prochain son, The Whole Switcheroo. Ok, je sais pas ce que ça veut dire.
227.
Un BPM bien lent.
Pale face with the plane set, then day but the bezel flew. My bitch hit my line, bitches all in the background. Other stew, I don't never mute it. Told WAP, I think I'm finna close shop. In the street shit, I'm heavy rooted. This that stove guy sweating over the stove top. Blue flame under the kettle music. Back and 4 hours was a long flight. Took a cold shower, it was no light. All them long hours and them cold nights. Got my wrist flicking like a strobe light. Nigga couldn't even get the wheels started. Paint his frame, I'm a real artist. All my life I've been a drill sergeant, trying to oversaturate the pill market. Caught a 630, Auntie Nadine, like I'm Big Percy selling ice cream. Like a McFlurry and some praline. On my whip dirty, but the place clean. Only reason I trap, because the only thing promised to me was to stay big. Hating on me, you need to relax. Only reason I rap, cause I can't sing. Just ran off with an 18. Heard he put that money on my head like a Beijing. My bitch hate that I'm too nonchalant. Brand new Saint Laurent, came from selling fake jeans. In the trenches on waist deep, fully AP. Switcheroo on my belt buckle. 30 clip in my new 9. Used it a few times and left a bruise on my left knuckle. Let's get it. I love when she role play. Popping her shit like some rosé. She tell me we soulmates. I damn near believe everything that this hoe say. How she all about me like Dore. Genuine can't sugar no Soleil. When she be like you got this shit sold up and knitted. I don't even know how to crochet. But for 28 and get a full tray. Nigga damn near spent the whole day. East-west running back and forth. Trying to run this money up the long way. Stepped on it like a bunion. Had to run young for the money. Saw more circles than some fun youngs. All eyes on me through the tollways. Only built for Cubana. Thinking out loud like what would my stove say? I'll probably say they do some nice kicks. They look like sketches but they dolce. Spin the work up like a merry-go. Titties on the fully, no areola. The paint on the 2-seater. Looking like I spilled a 2-liter of cherry coke. All these all-nighters gave me vertigo. I had serving blow on the river with Percival. All praise to the merciful. Chopping the Mozzie, but with the shotty I get surgical. Always business, never personal. The whip foreign, call it Turkaloo. You want a bag, bitch, I'll Birkin you. Seen a big dollar off a Kerchable. Mr. Pink runs with the snowboards. Real money looking like it's snowfall. From Forrest to Whittier, me and Forrest Whitaker. Pull up in that ghost store. Double R's in the headrest. Motherfuck yourself, bitch, I'm Brick James. Supercharged on all the Range Rovers. Big B's on that bent thing. Football seats, pin skin. Pay my dues for my bid in. Sipping mud with the pig pins. In the club, snuck the string in.
Avec le petit tch qu'on entend de ouf là, je sais pas ce que c'est.
300 units on the fink, she a fuck if she wink. This concrete is written in blood, permanent ink. Head up, my back against the wall, had to turn to the street. If I should die, I serve a 20-year term in the clink. Me and Skirm in the ghetto gang, disturbing the peace. He deserved what he had coming, reserved him a seat. Put the chair for beneath him, snatched the ground from under his feet. Now his body under a sheet.
En vrai, sur le track d'avant, par contre, ce que je reproche un peu, c'est les flows qui sont vraiment souvent qui les mêmes sur presque tout le track en fait. Donc sur le refrain, c'est la même chose. Après, c'est le flow était bon, mais sur tout son.
Hopped in that Wagoneer. Can't even lie, ain't even mad because I know the truth. For everyone, my amigo throw me two, we tryna break the border. Hate to sound like a broken tape recorder. I mean, the only thing that they was ever better at was taking orders. Cause there's some truth in every lie, and every smart remark. Alerted to the FBI, how long that carbon park. He lucky that he never spoke, he kept that shit silent. Cause there's some truth in every joke and all them slick comments. Can pick your poison, pick your plot, but you can't pick your coffee. Cause there's some truth in all that gossiping and pillow talking. My shooter still let it fly out his grandmother Buick. Cause there's some truth in every lie, the truth is undisputed. Street life is my love lane. On the east side with the rum shaker. Buck 50, that's a club bang. Real pot scrape, no pump fake. Let the smoke clear and the dust settle. See more white than the tongue scratch. Work a run off with a lunch special. Caught up with him like a month later. Let him break it down like his name was Ted. Sent him on that highway up the head. I never left. Niggas say really, I ain't never met. I hope y'all niggas been saving up. Just opened up a new line of credit. Plug say got a mangy mutt. If it's hit, I never pet it. Give it to you just how I get it. Streets know I got the right
les prods sont lourds de
the
ouf.
whole man then came out swinging to the right pitch. I'ma do the most no hitter, but made the most money dope dealing. All night hand in hand with it. Pot whipping with the ice chick. Ford clanking in the pirate. Floor safe full of irate. Touch it down was a cakewalk. I was more nervous on the drive back. Work pure as a mother's love. Nigga play with that bag, we gon' cut up a rug. Never been too fine or all in the wise crack. Skid it.
Damn, conductor, where'd you find this?
Une espèce de violon joué un peu. Je crois que c'était une guitare au départ, mais en fait c'est un violon.
Conductor, we have a problem.
Damn, baby, why you be trying to dim my light and lampshade? Can't blame me for what happened, but fuck me, cause your man's
Prochain
flaky.
track,
Me, I'm
Lampshade.
different. I hate to be bobbing when you see me sipping. Please don't
Voilà,
blow
ce
my
genre de
high,
prod,
cause
c'est
that's the
conducteur.
quickest way to fall
Ça,
out
c'est
with me.
typiquement lui.
Brought out 50, just for decoration, plus the SIG. Half a meal to compliment the fit, cause that's how
Et
fresh
que
I be.
d'ensemble, en
LV
plus.
on my undertags, Levi
c'est
jackets
simple
and them
comme ça.
tears. V-Lone on my shiesty mask, peace sign on my steering wheel. Crowley used to dump the bag till he was facing 60 years. Bitch ain't hold it down, I heard he hung himself off in his cell. Eli just dropped 3 lines of high tech in the knee high. My Glocky got a green beam, my poppy got the pink eye. Skinny as a toothpick, my cousin he a retard. The memories full of
Enfin,
blue
limite sur
strips,
ce
my
genre de
plug
son,
ain't
je
got
peux
no
même pas
green
capter ce
card.
que le gars
Coupe came
utilise
with a
flow, tellement la prod a
200 on the dashboard,
la
just giving you a
matrice.
crash course on how to
Le
duck
sample
the task.
profond.
Been having nightmares in my bed, tossing, turning. Know they coming sooner than later to confiscate all my earnings. Been having daydreams of Sue Young and Maylene. Running off with the bed, leaving me hanging, won't see me complaining. Ain't gon' do me no good, no way. Fuck, I'ma tell Jose. Ain't no excuses, so ain't no use of explaining. Today I woke up richer than I was yesterday. My gangster certified, and my ghetto check my resume. What else? My line cracking hard as concrete, dime piece spilling on my Rolex. Check out my timepiece. I been golden, they know who got the biggest gonads. Stand on business regardless, the artist formerly known as the Jackson. Don't get your favorite step a toe tag. I send my gang to blend you out that base rental topaz. Flashing back on that double bump, was looking at a press. Me and my double cup, my bestie for the rest. Why would I take 500K over dinner with Hov if I could pay Jay a half a meal to sit with Emery Jones? Tell him send a car with the load to get rid of the phones. This game cold, but I still get that chill in my bones. Before I could check out my room and book my ticket home, I left another half a meal stashed in a memory phone. A different type of bully print, don't compare me to dog. They say it's Jules VVS, but it's character flaw. Been having nightmares in my bed, tossing, turning. Know they coming sooner than later to confiscate all my earnings. Been having daydreams of Sue Young and Maylene. Running off with the bed, leaving me hanging, won't see me complaining. Ain't gon' do me no good, no way. fuck I'ma tell Jose? Ain't no excuses, so ain't no use of explaining. Today I woke up richer than I was yesterday. My gangster certified, in my ghetto check my resume. What else?
En vrai, sur le rap, j'ai rien à dire, mais vraiment la prod, elle m'a traumatisé, ce sample-là, avec la voix un peu, je sais pas comment il est modifié.
Conductor.
Voilà, je suis obligé de faire une pause carrément. Le track, il était... Tu vois, c'est à ça que je m'attendais en fait, parce que clairement, quand t'entends conducteur, en fait, tu penses à ce genre de prod. Westside Gunn, il propose beaucoup ce genre de bail quand il est en collab avec lui aussi. C'est toujours des choix de prod très... vraiment louches. Mais en vrai, c'est trop efficace. Par contre, ouais, c'est... Surtout un son, ça matrix carrément, c'est de la folie. En tout cas, on va continuer. Prochain track, Saint Juliana. Ok. Petit piano, les étoiles, tout ça, les paillettes.
I put the grease in the shift to let the work shuffle, but the coca leaves was my first hustle. Got the blow for cheap, jumping off the top turnbuckle. My neighborhood streets is hard as a bricky, brand new AR with a switchy, and ain't no love in the heart of the city. I make them birds take a bath, pull up paper tag, camo Carhartt cover Ross, but it's a bank collab. Take me back in the day to my me or more. Back in the day where you could disguise being poor. I miss that old hell block, I brought the flame back. This that real East 1 shit across the train tracks. Conducted all of the sales I conducted. Now I'm hopping out of UFO, look like I've been abducted. And we should fall, one of us should be each other's crutches. Ain't no more running from police, obstructing the justice. Flocking 10-17s like I'm Woo the Kid. Now that Rose parked at the trap just to shoot a vid. Ain't where you from, it's where you at if you that for real. In my hood, you only good as the last nigga that you killed. Ain't where you from, it's where you at if you that for real. Behind my name, niggas pushing up daisies and daffodils. Ain't where you from, it's where you at if it's that for real. Under your brains all on the kids menu like a Happy Meal. Ain't where you from, it's where you at with it. Repeat after me, ain't no love in the streets for a trap nigga. I mean, no matter how hard they try to tarnish it, I keep my image name and my face card clean. New ARP with the laser quest, AK with the bayonet. 100 Sherpa balls in the Sprinter van. 600 grits of Earl Flynn stuffed in the minivan. Packed up the raw with no gloves, just fucked up my dinner plans. We eat the most, play with gang, nigga, we gon' wet them. Married to the game, them cakes whiter than a nice wet. One baby mama, 2 kids, rich off a minute phone. I'm really 2 commas in, 7 figures strong. Left for the decimal. Just met Pedro at the Texaco, thuggin' for Zone 6 to Little Mexico. All of these X's and O's is all X and O. You know it's all love.
I love music. You don't have any car. Which one? Really, where?
Big shits, big expensive shits.
Putain, je sais où j'ai déjà entendu cette prod. Ouh. Je sais où j'ai déjà entendu ce piano. Après, c'est peut-être pas volontairement un sample utilisé en tout cas, mais en tout cas, ça me fait penser à un son. Déjà, je sais où je l'ai entendu pour la dernière fois, c'était la rêve de fou, mais rien à voir en plus. Là, ça part sur le grunt de Wallace Cleaver. Il avait rappé sur cette prod. Mais ce track, c'est un... Je me demande si c'est pas Dead President. Je sais pas si c'est Jay-Z. On va aller faire une petite... Il y a moyen que ce soit ça. Franchement... Faut que je la trouve, par contre, ça c'est... C'est ça.
Who wanna
En vrai, je sais pas si le piano c'est vraiment ça. Je vais aller refaire un tour.
Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we...
Vibe, and when you see me sipping, half a meal to
C'est pas
compliment
du tout celui-là.
Conductor.
the top turnbuckle. My neighborhood streets is hard as a bricky, brand new AR with a switchy. And ain't no love in the heart of the city. I make them birds take a bath, pull up paper tag. Camo car,
vrai, non.
cover Ross, but it's a bank collab. Take me back
C'est
in
pas-
the day.
sur la
to
fin,
my
c'est pas la
me
même
and
chose.
Back in the day where you could disguise being poor. I miss that old hell block I brought.
Mais au début, en vrai, ou après, je sais pas, ça se trouve, ça l'est, mais en tout cas, ça m'a fait penser à ça. En tout cas, on va enchaîner. Permission, c'est 8ème track. Le feat avec Double D. Let's go.
Conductor.
Double D.
They come and ask me before the roads get reversed. They gotta run it past me. You need the okay for me to even clear the hit. Or get the whole 308 through your mirror tint. The judge trying to fry me. That have money gotta have her. Nickel bag is all in the park. You gotta run it by me. It ain't stamped if I ain't stamping. Serving like I'm Sanford. The work came with a brochure and a pamphlet. Now that's mafia. I'm talking baklava, mega poppy. From Roxbury back to Rossiter. Yeah, 227. It's simple algebra. I'd rather have $1 million than 1 million followers. Bouncing off that Rolls Royce down Tolliver. I put the H in Hermes, this ain't no Hollister. Had a threesome with Concrete Kanye. And the thick white bitch kinda resembles supercar blind. 20 killer straps tucked, known for catching homies. Skinny nigga racked up, OT7 quantity. Buck 65 wet with my boots on. Buck 50 for my Paquette, but it's two-tone. On schoolcraft selling drugs in the school zone. Me and all my brothers stick together like the group home. Free all the gas to that shit the other way around. I pray they make it out that situation safe and sound. They come and ask me before the roads get reversed. They gotta run it past me. You need the okay for me to even clear the hit. Or get the whole 308 through your mirror tint. The judge trying to fry me. That have money gotta have her. Nickel bag is all in the park. You gotta run it by me. It ain't stamped if I ain't stamping. Serving like I'm Sanford. The work came with a brochure and a pamphlet. Now that's mafia.
I'm talking game time. Like Stephen A and Skip, we ain't on the same time. 227, we that mafia, what else gang? Quadro Porta Mozzie, feel like Mozzie from the L gang. On Hell Block, and I'm back to back one joints. A nigga play with Jack, we gon' get him smacked 1 point. Bust Diddy, 41 coupe with foreign features. Same niggas be pointing guns, they be pointing fingers. Playing with them finger lickers, no Kentucky Fried. Hit this little bitch, got him looking like his puppy died. My pocket sea walking, piece through the blood shuffle. Number breaking up couples, all the bad bitches loved up. I love to hustle like my mama love the boardroom. Slap a switch on a fin and put that bitch on auto-tune. In the ghetto with all the goons, we the juice crew. This mafia, what else shit can take some getting used to. So when they need permission,
they come and ask me before the
En vrai, j'aime
roads
bien la
get
voix
reversed. They gotta
plus
run
aiguë
it past
du
me.
coup,
You
qui
need the
contraste avec
okay
Body
for me to
James.
even clear the hit. Or get the whole 308 through your mirror
le
tint.
couplet,
The judge trying to fry
Même en
me.
vrai,
That
avec
have
le
money
flow un
gotta
peu
have her. Nickel
enfumé,
bag
un
is all in
peu,
the park. You gotta
un peu
run it
lazy.
by me. It ain't stamped if I ain't stamping.
Nonchalant,
Serving
ça.
like I'm Sanford. The work came with a brochure and a pamphlet. Now that's mafia.
Il a géré. Les deux ont géré. Puis le petit sample avec la voix là, toujours. Ok, prochain track, Off-White
You
Lumberjack.
already know that.
Let's go.
It's Bojack. Skitty. To be or not to be, crime school, and I majored in philosophy. Ben Proctor with drums, got a doctor's in criminology. Raising in the heart for that color money monopoly. Gazing at the stars in that color, and that's astrology. Dingy t-shirt, 100 stacks, Sarah Lee, high velocity. Flip the work with a money back guarantee, that's the policy. Soccer mom full of parakeets. Cherokee obsolete. All of this Valentino drip, I feel like Bobby V. Golf caddying with the pack. I'm on my Johnny P. Bro, just caught the peel press. Pressing up them Chinese V's, 90 G's. And the sofa cushion came from overcooking. All this dope I'm pushing, fuck your label, I should sign the fees. Real mafia, what else? Roll the credits behind the scenes. Whole lot of gang shit. Big chains and diamond rings. Ebony and ivory, my niggas in the Ivy League. Smelling like New Money Creed. Baccarat and Iris Twig. Let's get it. My English broken and my blood don't speak on English. You know I keep some motion like I'm selling dope
T'as la
on
guitare
eBay.
électrique avec
I
la
run it up,
batterie là.
then run it back just like a replay. Never been a runner-up, been running laps, this shit a relay. My creatures toasting in the club with all the leeway. Been trapping through the wire all my life, I feel like we back. When I was calling home from county on the three-way, but now me and my creatures pouring wacky on the PJ. Let's get it. Mafia, whatever. Went from the PJs to the PJ. Rockin' bucks, genuine hornies, ain't on me shades. Spin them church like a turntable, go DJ. It take money to make money, that's so cliche. Toting Glock 357, stirring up a pot. No rebates on this shit I'm selling, hurry up and back. It's concrete, it's 227, fuck the FBI. I'ma get this money off the fit to the well one drive. And 100 grams in the vent, tryna trail my driver. Made a mountain out of molehill, I'm the real MacGyver. Turn your block into roadkill, ambitions as a grinder. Hook, line, sinker, trappers keep it like a book binder. In the hood with the shoppers, puffing on the good guns. Been fucked up in the head ever since they took Tanya. 4700 block, spot doing jumping jacks. Retro mic and nights, off the off-white lumberjack.
Non, le gars, pour finir. Non, la prod en vrai. Grosse production, la guitare électrique, toujours j'apprécie.
No punchlines, cute shit or riddles. Talking dog food, not no bitch,
Prochain et
ain't no
dernier track,
kibble.
Stem
Still
Cell,
carpool
depuis le-
laning with the twins and that HOV. Got a set of triplets on the way that could take a three. The people's watching from the outside looking in. Looking outside, know they watching me and all my peoples. It's the allure of the game, infected with the evil. Had to reroute the paper, never had a paper route. Changing out in the county, was never chasing clout. Yeah, I sold drugs, but that ain't shit to be ashamed about. I made it out unscathed, block so high that you could sunbathe. Neighborhood full of dead ends and one ways. Made men, ain't no more hustling on Sundays. Free all my niggas had to double up their lunch trays. Watching out for the Raven, 180 bins. 2-quarter bricks in an empty box of raisin bread. 10 bricks on consignment, that's a payment plan. Playing pussy with baby girl, I'm a ladies man. Man on my word, don't ever let that money make the man. I take a bullet to the head before I take the stand. One on the one, so everything up under the sun. From Sunderland to Hill Block, known for jumping the gun. Drugs on and on the mall, wildin' with coyotes. Road running all the time with that Hawaiian sofa. No punchlines, cute shit or riddles. I'm talking gray squares with the stamps in the middle of them. Can't make no bargains on the prices they be trying to quote me. Buzz Cuban on my neck, this bitch a diamond trophy. Lungs cloudy off the drink, got me drunk drowsy. Drunk driving, quarter tank in that Audi 8. I had to fall back, watch everything fall in place. Count all this paper, if I get snatched, I know she ain't gon'
Don't
wait.
wait for her, man. Don't wait for her. I'll tell you what, man. Come with me
Non,
now,
lourd
right?
aussi, un dernier track là. Avec les trompettes tout le long du track. Très 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 chaud. Franchement, le projet qualitatif, hein. Conducteur toujours très très bouillant dans les samples, dans les prods. Franchement, c'est trop musical. Franchement, je kiffe de ouf. En tout cas, le projet 10 tracks, c'est lourd. Ça fait plaisir. Je vois qu'il n'y a que 300 000, 100, 200 000 écoutes sur les tracks. C'est chaud. Franchement, ça mérite plus. Hein. En un mois en plus, Artist US, Boldy James. Boldy James, c'est très méchant, hein, franchement. Le projet qu'il a sorti, il faut que je l'écoute d'ailleurs. Il faut que je l'écoute en entier. Super Tecmobo. Boldy James Alchemist, ce sera peut-être le prochain projet qu'on se fera. Boldy James Alchemist. Je connais déjà 3 tracks, mais... Non, 4. Mais... Je sais pas, on verra. Mais en tout cas, ce projet, voilà. Même Bo Jackson, je me le suis écouté aussi. C'est de la frappe. Avec Alchemist aussi. Boldy James... Boldy James, attention, même le projet qu'il a sorti avec Nicolas Craven. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Très, très chaud. Penalty of Leadership. Non, Boldy James. On suit de près. On suit de très près. En tout cas, les gars, si vous avez kiffé la vidéo, un petit like, un commentaire, des trucs à dire, tout ça. vous connaissez, abonnez-vous, ça va arriver fort. D'ailleurs, là, si vous voulez, vous me direz en vrai, je verrai si je la posterai ou pas. Mais s'il y a des gens qui sont chauds, que j'envoie la réaction du projet d'Eminem, le dernier de Death of Slim Shady. Alors je l'ai fait en 2 parties, mais si vous êtes chaud en tout cas, pas de souci, je vous balance ça direct. Les 2 parties. Et puis moi, je vais vous laisser ici. Je vais vous dire à la prochaine dans une autre vidéo. Sur ce, bye.